what if I told you that with the power of AI, especially through ChatGPT, mastering JavaScript could be at your fingertips? We are not just talking about one-size-fits-all approach. With ChatGPT personalized learning capabilities, you can navigate from beginner to advanced topic in a simple way. And today, I'll show you a prompt that will kickstart your JavaScript learning journey. With the tailored guidance that ChatGPT has to offer, you will become a JavaScript expert in no time. This video is divided into three main sections. The first section is the introduction to JavaScript and programming basics. I'll show you how to craft effective ChatGPT prompt to create your own personalized guide. You will see how combining different prompts can offer a more rounded understanding of topic. The second section is all about advanced JavaScript, deepening your understanding and skill in JavaScript. For the final section, we'll focus on crafting learning paths using prompts that will guide you through new frameworks, libraries, and projects. So navigate to ChatGPT website. I also open up a Word document so I can take notes of the information that ChatGPT is going to provide. So the first thing that I'm going to ask ChatGPT is to give me the fundamental topics to start learning the basics of JavaScript. So in the prompt, I'm just going to write, please write a beginner-friendly guide to JavaScript, covering the fundamental topics only, no need for an explanation. Let's run it and wait for ChatGPT to give us all that information. Now I just want to copy and paste in the Word document. Now I open a new chat because I wanted to do a quick demonstration and to show you why the first line is so important. And this time I just asked in the prompt to construct a tutorial for mastering JavaScript fundamentals. Now, as you can see, we have some fundamental topics, but we don't have as many topics as we did before. And the secret behind this lies in the prompt, and I'll tell you why. So let's explore back our first prompt. So now let's explore for key topics in this prompt. The level, a beginner-friendly guide. When you specify a level in ChatGPT, it helps ChatGPT to understand how the content should be tailored while interacting with you, the user. It's like setting the stage or tuning an instrument before a performance. And when writing prompts, it's always best to have a clear idea of your goal. And in this case, we are only looking for the fundamental topics. And telling ChatGPT no need for an explanation helps ChatGPT to only focus on writing the fundamental topics. So now let's continue. I open up a new chat, and now that we have the fundamental, you can grab one of these topics and then pass it directly to the chat. But I'm going to show you a little trick. I'm going to pass the information now to show you something. As you can see, all this data can see as dense as a Wikipedia page. It can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're starting to learn. But there is a little secret. With just a tiny tweak and a new opening line, how ChatGPT presents information can change dramatically. And in this program, I just asked ChatGPT to create like a Q&A section that I'm going to ask some question about JavaScript, and I want to be as simple and straightforward. So now let's try it out to see the difference. And just like that, with a shift in the approach, what seemed a complex information is now a more direct, and the answer becomes more clear, especially for us beginners. And you can take a complete topic and pass it to ChatGPT, and the answer is going to be the same, as clear as possible and beginner-friendly for us. And you can take your notes, read, and you can take whatever topic you're interested in and pass it to the prompt. And basically, you just repeat all this process to cover all the basic topics. But remember, this is only one path we explore, because truly there are infinite ways to the journey through the learning with ChatGPT, and each from a new doorway. For example, let's say you want to create a cheat sheet. Or let's try something else. Maybe you're more a hands-on and more practical guy. You could ask a ChatGPT to create like a step-by-step guide and create a hands-on learning for each specific topic, and then just pass it in the prompt. And at the end, you are the master of your learning journey, and you are the one who decides how to navigate through all this knowledge. I'm just going to recommend to start with the basics and learn all the fundamental topics of JavaScript by heart. Take the approach step by step with clear and easy explanation. I'm going to leave you with all the necessary prompts to explore these different topics, but don't stop there. Experiment with new combinations, like a memory game, maybe a song, whatever works best for you, because learning isn't just about following a path. It's about creating your own. And this is the end of our first section. Now, for the second section, we're going to explore advanced topics for JavaScript. And what I did is I went back for the chat where I had the fundamental topics, and now I'm just going to ask in the prompt for the advanced topics. You'll be wondering, why open so many chats? The reason is quite simple. When you set your opening line, that chat specializes in that function. And I don't want to break the focus of that chat. That's why it's better to have different chats, each specializing in one goal. Trying to cover too many goals in one chat can make the interaction more complex and more difficult to navigate. All you have to do is copy and paste these new topics. But remember, beyond the fundamental topic that you need to know by heart, you don't have to memorize all of these topics. In fact, many of these topics might align with your unique path. And yes, some advanced topics are a vast ocean of information. My recommendation: gain a general understanding of each topic first. Then dive deep into practice. Take it topic by topic and push yourself as far as you can, because even a little knowledge can set you apart. And to be honest, even myself, I'm going to check some of these topics, but I'm going to show you some prompts that you could use to practice these advanced topics now. And just as I did earlier, you set the chat with the context or the goal that you want. It is a simple action and you have to do every time that you start a new chat. Now, I just want to grab that topic. I'm just going to grab the architecture pattern, the MVC, MVB, flux, and redux to show you something. As you can see, even though I asked ChatGPT to create a practice guide, I didn't receive any practice tasks. And this is because these topics are vast. And ChatGPT attempts to give me a summarized guide for each one. And what you could do is just take one topic, only one. In this case, I'm going to take the MVC, and I'm going to tell it to create the practice. Now you can see that ChatGPT has created a step-by-step guide to practice the MVC. And you can also do that for another topic. So that's why it's important for this advanced topic to take it one by one. And that doesn't stop there. You can increase the difficulty level. Or you can ask, give you some ideas to create your own challenge. And the best part, you can always go back to ChatGPT and ask for guidance, clarification, and even ask ChatGPT to look into our code for suggestions or problems. Just like in the first section of the video, try different things and make your learning journey work for you. I'm also going to leave some prompts that you could use to get those necessary advanced topics, and the prompt that you could start your learning with. Remember, take this topic one by one and practice. This is the end of the second section of the video. And the third section of this video is about you and the path you want to follow. Fundamental JavaScript was initially for front-end development, but over the time, it gained the ability to branch out into back-end and mobile development, along with some other intriguing areas like VR, game development, data visualization, machine learning, and AI. And each path will present its unique challenge and goal. You have taken the first step to learn JavaScript. My recommendation is choose a path and dedicate your focus there. I'll show you my last prompts in this video that will help you continue your learning journey. We're going to do the same strategy as we did in section 1 and 2. First, listing the topic to start our learning. And for the first prompt, I'm just going to ask for the front-end development. And you can adapt the same prompt with just minor tweaks to whatever path you choose. For example, I can change for mobile development or maybe game development. Just change it for the topic that sparked your interest. And if you're diving into this topic with the help of ChatGPT, you can apply what you learned in the first and second section of this video. I'm Professor CodeGPT. Thanks for your time. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be creating more content exploring the synergy between ChatGPT and coding. Again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video.